Kia too technical. So the kind people over at Zagg is kind enough to send me out their ultimate protection case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So this is 22 drop feet protection, mil STD tested. So that is not bad. This is called the Ranger. So this pretty much is a 2-part case. This is how it looks when you take it out of the box. They're going to give you these instructions because this is a 2-part case, so you can see how to put this on your device. I do like the look and the feel of this case. Let me pull the sticker off. This one comes with a kickstand also, which looks real nice. This would probably go good if you go good with that rose pink colorish one that they have. But anyways, like I said, this is a 2-part case. You can just peel it off like this. You get a hard shell. You get a hard shell in and out. So pretty much you just want to pick up your S26 Ultra, put that in like so, then come over here and put the top in like this. These are for people that want just a tad bit more protection than just putting their phone in a case. This is a case, but it's a case with the front and a back area. So almost like an outer box look and feel kind of case. You want to make sure that it snaps into the grooves. That way you know that your case is in there good and it will not fall if you drop it. But that is what this case is going to look like on your S26 Ultra. So this case has these grooves here. I call that feet. So if you drop it on the corner, it's going to be good and protected. You don't have any grips over on this case, but it does not feel like this will drop while I'm holding it. This is like a rubber plastic here. It does say Zagg here. You got your volume up and down button, nice and clicky. Your power button is nice and clicky, no problem there. Turning it over to the back, you do get your USB-C charging port, as you can see. Then you also get your USB-C charging port here. I'm trying to make sure this is in the groove because it's not. And then you get your speaker, easy access to getting out your S Pen, no problem. And I like that this has that flap so dust, dirt, and grime will not get in there. Turning it over to this side, you get nothing on there. As you can see, I didn't have it on there right. Coming to the top, you get nothing but your little speaker grill, I believe. If you turn it over to the back, this is where you get the nice deep cutout for your camera. Place it down on a table and you are going to be good to go, no problem. MagSafe capable ring. Get the kickstand so you can look at videos in this view or in this view here. You can do your MagSafe wireless charging. Just put a MagSafe on there. Test out the strength. It's pretty good to go. Now let's bring over one of my MagSafe wireless chargers. And just like that, you can do MagSafe wireless charging. No problem there. Overall, I do like the look and the feel of this case. I might end up rocking this on my device for a while. And how you would take this off is there's a little lip here that you reach into to pull this off of your device. So now let me take you over to the website so we can find this case. So here it is right here. This is gonna run you This is the Ranger Snap magnetic phone case with kickstand. $69.99 plus tax. You get this in 3 different colors. Get it in the latte beige. So this is like a coffee-ish latte beige color. Then you also get it, I wish they would have sent it to me in black, but it's okay. You also get it in their smoke black, which looks nice. Then you also get it in the black, which is nice because it's black and it shows off the color of your device. But overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case, and I can recommend this to you if you're out there looking for a case. This is the Zagg case. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.